After the announcement of its arrival last August, we finally get our hands on the new TECNO Camon 19 series. In this video, we will specifically be covering the Camon 19 Pro in Eco Black. This particular unit also has 128GB storage and retails for 13,490 pesos. So what can we expect? Well, this is Kath of Yugatech and let's dive right in. The Camon 19 Pro slots in between the rest of the Camon 19 lineup, which consists of the Camon 19 base model and the Camon 19 Pro 5G. Open up the box and you'll get the phone, a charger, and the USB-C type cable. Surprisingly, it also comes with earphones. You don't see those included in most phones nowadays, and it's a nice touch from TECNO. The Camon 19 Pro looks great in Eco Black, perfectly blending the screen with the rest of the phone. You get a large 6.78-inch screen up front with a camera up top. Flip it over and you have a minimalist back case. The only things that stand out are the two surrounds for the triple rear camera setup. On the right side of the phone, you'll find the volume buttons and the power unlock button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. Meanwhile, the dual SIM slot can be seen on the opposite side. No external storage, unfortunately. At the bottom, there is the USB-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, and loudspeaker. Open up the 6.78-inch screen and you'll get nice colors from the FHD Plus IPS display. It has a 1080 by 2460 pixel resolution and comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, meaning smooth animations when playing games or watching videos. There is no lag too when swiping across the screen very fast or going through the menus. One of the strengths of the Camon 19 Pro is the triple rear camera setup. The main camera is a 64MP unit with Super Night Mode, together with a 50MP secondary camera and a 2MP camera for depth. It takes great photos in 64MP mode, and the photos retain great detail even when you zoom in. The colors are nice out of the box too, with minimal to no editing needed. Take note that the 64MP only work on AI cam mode. Other camera modes available on the Camon 19 Pro are Beauty, Portrait, and Super Night. We have yet to try out Super Night mode, but stay tuned for that in our full review. As for videos, the Camon 19 Pro records in 1080p at 30fps. There is a film mode too, and no, it's not like film camera mode. Instead, it automatically creates various scenes and transitions into one whole clip. Powering the Camon 19 Pro is a MediaTek Helio G96 chipset, and it comes with 8GB of RAM. You can increase the RAM by changing the settings. Depending on the setting, you can have up to 5GB extra. Together with a nice 120Hz display, you can play games easily. Even graphics-intensive titles and hardcore rhythm games will have no issue whatsoever. It does feel awkward when playing because of the two cameras, meaning the phone doesn't lie flat. When watching videos using the loudspeakers, it also average at best. Thankfully, you can use the earphones included in the box for a better experience. Thanks to its 5000 mAh battery, you can watch and game for an extended period of time. Recharging the battery is also quick thanks to the 33 watts fast charging. We'll save the detailed tests and benchmarks for our full review coming soon. But what do you think of the TECNO Camon 19 Pro so far? Put your thoughts in the comment section below. At the same time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to be updated when the review comes out. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok as well. This has been Kath of Yugatech. Thank you for watching.